Let's relieve tension and stress with our square gua sha by using the long edge starting at the top of the neck, working your way down 3 times. Then using the curved edge, wrap this around the jawline, starting at the chin, working your way up to the base of the ear, and repeat this 3 times as well. Using the same edge on your cheekbones, starting at the base of your nose, moving upward and outward to your ear. The next 2 steps are especially great for any sinus or headache tension along the brow line. Using the same edge, go across the entire brow from start to the tip. Then you're just going to turn the gua sha upside down using the same curved edge and start right at the bridge of the nose, going up and then repeating that same step 3 times. Now that we've worked everything out, we're ready to drain this side of the face by working our way downward. Now, rotating it to the smallest edge, we're going to work our way down the side of the face 3 times. Once you've completed one side of your face, you're going to repeat all of those steps on the other side. Let's talk about the rose quartz gua sha for just a moment. Now, this stone is said to have properties that help generate cell renewal, improve uneven or a dull skin complexion, and it is, of course, one of the best stones for sensitive and inflamed skin. But in addition to all of those, popular notes of rose quartz, it actually is said to support heart energy. So this is a great stone to work on the chest with and actually tonify the heart essence. Now, for a good reason, we're obsessed with using our rose quartz gua sha for lymphatic drainage and just sculpting the overall appearance of the face. However, it is said that simply holding the crystal to your skin, you can absorb its properties. So if you have a breakout and you're feeling particularly lazy, you can just lie the gua sha over the area where you're having breakouts, or just place this gua sha over your chest and absorb the properties. Once you've completed both sides of the face, you're going to drain this on the neck, and voila, you are finished.